HAFIZ TV, unique every day.
A brilliant light on our school. Your legacy is a beacon for all who dare to dream big. We appreciate your support to this school and the community. We hope for greater collaboration in the activities that will project your alma mater to the whole world. On behalf of the directorate, the staff and students of this great school, I welcome you back home. May your presence today ignite passion, purpose, and pride in the heart of the next generation. Thank you, and once again, welcome back to your alma mater. Thank you very much, the Municipal Director of Education, Dr. William Chaiko, for your great speech. MC.
Thank you, our indefatigable Municipal Director. We wish to introduce everybody gathered here at the high table, but unfortunately the weather is not too favorable and we can't do it all. But I would like to appreciate and commend my able, hardworking headmaster, Mr. Martin Padano, the alma mater of our able Wester. Well, next on our list we have a citation to be read by a student from Minhaal, precisely our God's prophet, Mohammed Kudus. Mohammed Kudus come read a citation in honor of our world superstar Mohammed Kudus. Let's give a round of applause as he comes here to read.
Cited in honor of Mohammed Kudus, a true son of Minhaal Basic School, Mr. Mohammed Kudus. From the humble beginnings of our classroom, you are risen to become a global icon, a shining example of perseverance and excellence. It's a powerful story that continues to inspire generations of learners across our community and beyond. As a distinguished professional footballer with Sports Ham United and the Ghana Black Stars, your success brings pride to every Ghanaian, and especially to the school that helped shape your foundation. Your return to give back through the donation of sport kits, educational materials, and a heartfelt message of motivation is a testament to your humility, generosity, and deep-rooted love for your roots. We, learners of Nima 1 Basic School, honor you today for lifting our spirits, rising hopes, and reminding us that greatness can emerge from anywhere, from right here. Presented by Nima 1 Basic School on this 30th, 2025.
Thank you. So this is a citation from your alma mater, Nima 1 Basic School, presented to you. God also bless you for coming back home. God bless you for coming back home. Alright, we'll do this more time. We have here the mayor of Nima. He came here with a team. Briefly, he would like to introduce the team that he's here with. So let's give him that space to do that. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm here to introduce my brothers. I'll start with Mohammed Kudus, Mr. Idi, Mr. Yusuf, and Mr. Fatau. So I thank you so much. I don't think we need to waste time. We need to go straight to the point. Thank you so much. Hey, I can't hear you guys. So hello everyone. As you know, I'm Mohammed Kudus. I started my education over here, and as you all know, I'm just here to share a little light on my story and how I got to where I am today. I started mostly like all of you guys studying in the school here, you know. But at the same time, I had passion for football, just like most of you. But in the football world, you need your basic education, and then you need to take your education very serious, you know, because as a footballer, you need to understand how to read your contracts, speak on interviews, talk to people, and engage. So I'm very, very happy and pleased to be here for the warm welcome from all you guys today, and it's such a pleasure to have all of you guys here. It's just a little gesture to show my appreciation for all the support and the education scheme I've been through to get to this point. So here to encourage you guys to take your education very serious, because what I do is so I just want to tell you guys I love you. Thank you for the warm wish. Bless.
And giving back to their school and community that helps shape you. May God richly bless you and continue to elevate you. We are truly grateful.
If you got to know, keep up.
My name is HAFIZTVOFFICIAL. I'm a teacher of Nima Basic School and as well the sports teacher, the teacher in charge of sports.
What would you say with regards to interventions like this?
I think it is a very great intervention. The students in this cluster, let me say, learners in Nima are well talented in sports. And this gesture is going to be one of a kind. It's going to promote sports in the community and help the students to understand that The sport they are playing is not going to end after inter-schools, but it can take them to the national platforms and the world at large.
What award did you receive from Kudus? What award did you receive from Kudus?
Thank you. The school received packs of exercise book, mathematical sets, football boot, jersey, and an envelope full of cash.
What appreciation do you have?
If I want to say, God richly bless Mohammed Kudus and increase him. God should increase his skills and help him get a more better club and contract going forward. God bless Mother Ghana, God bless Nima, God bless Mohammed Kudus, and God bless everybody that is wishing the learners well in their education.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.